Hi and welcome to the Grand Series by Asia One Magazine and URS Media, known as Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders Asia, Middle East, Africa 2020-21. Through this series, we attempt to showcase the awe-inspiring success stories of some of the eminent brands and leaders from all over the world who have contributed immensely towards the growth of world economy. The curtain raiser will be from none other than the man behind the vision for Greatest Brands and Leaders, Mr. Rajat Raj Shukl, Global Head and Principal Partner, URS Media Consulting and Asia One Magazine.
Welcome to the Asia One series, the Greatest Brands and Leaders 2021 Asia, Middle East, Africa. And pleased to tell you that this is one of the most broadcasted business and brand and leader series in the world today, reaching out to 39 million viewers in 79 countries across the region. And the entire vision of this entire series started from where you would think about the world's greatest brands and leaders, and you would subconsciously start thinking about many of the American and the European brands, but you would not think about the Asian, Middle East and the African brands. Though Asia, Middle East, Africa is the largest consumer for all brands today. And having said this, this is a series where we want to talk about success stories of different brands and leaders from across the region. And also pleased to tell you, the Asia One magazine, with this entire focus of bringing these stories to you, is the only pan-Asia magazine today, reaching out to 14 countries in one issue and also publishing over 8,000 pages of original content. And we do publish about 1,500 pages of content annually, to bring this entire series of the Asia One magazine and the coffee table books to you. And also pleased to tell you, we've held over 14 international business summits where we recognized over 4,000 brands and leaders from across the region of Asia, Middle East and Africa.
We also have a message from our special guest, Sushri Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti, Honorable Minister of State for Rural Development and Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Government of India.
कोविड के समय जब देश का मजदूर श्रमिक भयभीत होकर के अपने अपने गांव की ओर गया, उस समय माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने विशेष पैकेज लागू करके उनके गांव में उनको रोजगार मिल सके, इस दृष्टि से कोरोना के समय पर उनके गांव में ही श्रमिकों को मनरेगा के तहत काम दिया गया। मुझे प्रसन्नता है कि इस मनरेगा में जहां पुरुषों ने भागीदारी निभाई, वहीं महिलाओं ने 52% काम किया है। ये बड़ी उपलब्धि है। मनरेगा कोई रोजगार ऐसा नहीं कि हमेशा के लिए है, लेकिन वैकल्पिक रोजगार ने ही कोरोना में काम दिया। रजत शुक्ल जी को मैं बधाई इसलिए देती हूँ कि कम से कम हमारे देश के जो उद्योगपति हैं उनको बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं, एक विश्व के स्तर पर फोकस कर रहे हैं।
Let's begin with the most coveted category in this series, that is Asia One Entrepreneur of the Year 2020-21 and Asia One Global African of the Year 2020-21. The leaders and the brands that are getting awarded under these categories are Mr. Ajay Harinath Singh, Chairman and Managing Director, Darwin Platform Group of Companies, as Asia One Entrepreneur of the Year 2020-21.
Founder, Chairman and Managing Director of Darwin Platform Group of Companies, Ajay Harinath Singh's vision catapulted the company into its present growth trajectory and stature. Under his directorship and guidance, the Darwin Platform Group of Companies has expanded and taken its business across geographical boundaries in high-growth sectors such as retail, agriculture, banking, pharmaceuticals, finance, mining, information technology, healthcare, robotics, and aviation, turning the group into a multinational. Spread across Greece, Italy, Ukraine, Germany, United Kingdoms, UAE, among a few other countries.
Platform Group of Companies, DPGC, is one of the fastest growing Indian global business group. We are investing in nation building and India's strong future by creating economic value in domestic, and 11 overseas organizations are also working towards it. It's an entrepreneurial journey At a very young age, I became the president of Singh & Sons PLC in 1996, founded DPGC with an asset base of net worth US dollar 6.4 billion. The year-on-year growth has been phenomenal so far. Darwin brand has established its credibility in all its products and services.
Mr. Soni Aire, founder and group managing director, DLM Capital Group as Asia One Global African of the Year 2020-21.
Soni Aire, a Nigerian investment banker, Chief Executive Officer of Dun Loren Merrifield Group and President of Association of Issuing Houses of Nigeria, started his investment banking career as a structured finance specialist for the Sub-Saharan Africa in 2002. He was awarded the Investment Banking CEO of the Decade by the Banks and Other Financial Institution Awards in 2020 and 2020 ECOWAS Icon of Societal Development by the West African Youth Council for his humanitarian work. Under the guidance of this founder and CEO of DLM Development Bank, pioneered structured finance and securitization in the West African capital markets. DLM has also won the Best Investment Company in Nigeria at the 2014 World Finance Banking Awards and 2020 Banks and Financial Institutions Awards as the most innovative investment bank of the year.
DLM Capital today is a multifunctional financial institution straddling digital banking all the way to asset management, financial advisory, investment banking, trustee business, etc. A pretty big, let me say, wide plethora of businesses. In terms of where we want to go to, in terms of our long-term vision, is to be a Pan-African developmental investment bank, and also to have some spots across the globe. My motivation to start DLM Capital came from an institution that straddles investment banking and also having some developmental impact in what we do. Our values and principles basically stem from wanting, more importantly, to have impact, or to ensure that the transactions we have an impact on the people around us, and that's the people having the daily lives.
And now it's time for a short break. If you stay tuned, as we will be right back with some more panoramic presentations of success stories of greatest brands and leaders.
When you live in a fast-moving, ever-changing world, life brings forth unlimited possibilities. Yours to explore, excite, enjoy, educate, evaluate, and elucidate with Elan. Never stop moving forward with Darwin Platform Group. Darwin Platform Group, the visionaries.
Welcome back to the Grand Series, namely Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia, Middle East, Africa 2020-21, powered by Asia One Magazine and URS Media. As we continue, the next titles are Asia One Global Leader of the Year 2020-21 and Asia's Greatest Brands 2020-21. The leaders and the brands that are being awarded under this category are Mr. Himanshu Mohapatra, Group General Manager of Al Taman Investment LLC as Asia One Global Indian of the Year 2020-21.
Himanshu Mohapatra, with over 2 decades of experience that span into investment banking, portfolio management, private equity, real estate development, strategic management, and organizational development, has set up, acquired, and managed multiple new businesses and projects for the group in real estate, education, healthcare, industrial, aquaculture, media and communication, entertainment, and hospitality sectors. Holding directorship in different companies, he's also the member of Executive Committee of Muscat Overseas Group Companies. As a Group General Manager of Altaman Investment LLC, he has the expertise in investment evaluation, fundraising, deal structuring and negotiation, strategic tie-ups, setting up new ventures and executing exit strategies.
In this dynamic world, addressing the changing needs of people and adopting new technologies are the key ingredients of success and progress. If we start with our real estates, we develop in Altaman Real Estate all the social infrastructure projects such as school facilities, hospital facilities, malls and lifestyle projects like hotels, resorts, entertainment facilities. So we end-to-end develop everything based on the customer satisfaction. Similarly, in our education venture, we nurture the young generation under Assaud Education School. In our healthcare venture under the Modern Healthcare Company, we are one of the pioneers in providing super specialization in urology, nephrology and andrology lab. Not only in healthcare, but also we are present in pharmaceutical, and we are one of the first API manufacturer producing cephalosporin under drug manufacturing company. It is an antibiotics, can be used exponentially and hugely in Oman and outside Oman. In our entertainment venture, in Grand Entertainment Company, we are providing and spreading happiness with lot of entertainment platforms such as cinemas like Wow Cinema, providing the amazing and grand multiplex. Similarly, on Funtopia, we set the trend of active, healthy entertainment. And in our holographics, we provide virtual reality games.
Mr. Amit Nirvani, Managing Director, Shiva Group, as Asia One Global Indian of the Year 2020-21 and Asia's Greatest Brands 2020-21.
Shiva Group of Industries is promoted and managed by Mr. Shiv Kumar, a graduate in engineering and postgraduate in personal management and labor welfare, with about 4 decades of varied experience. A qualified engineer, he has also done business management courses to hone his entrepreneurial expertise. Using his cutting-edge ideas, he has been instrumental in restructuring his company's business operations, expanding its market reach, improving all aspects of profitably running the business. Playing a crucial role in shaping the Shiva Group, Amit, riding a wave of success, has in a short period successfully achieved 500 rupees crore top line with a lot of zeal. Amit is a true visionary and a strategic leader who leaves no stone unturned in making the world a better place.
My inspiration is my dad, Mr. Shiv Kumar, the founder and chairman of this company. His way of teaching and training were unique and proved valuable as a fresher in this industry. I had to rough it out, just like any other employee. He made me learn the roots of business. With team effort, we have this year achieved 75 million plus US dollar top line, but I feel this is just the beginning. We are all ready to grow and go further. I am also proud of the innovations done related to new product techs, environmental care, alternative products, and the new creative solutions that my company offers. My vision for Shiva Group is making available more possibilities by providing customized chemical solutions to the companies without compromising on the safety, quality, environment, and communities in which we operate.
Mr. Satinder Sharma, CEO and Board Member, Petrocontracts International, as Asia One Global Asian of the Year 2020-21 and Asia's Greatest Brands 2020-21.
Satinder Sharma, CEO and board member of Petrocontracts International Limited, brings over 40 plus years of oil and gas industry experience to his role that focuses on the development and execution of the business strategies and future growth. An innovative leader with an experience in management of products, business, commercials, and construction support functions for oil and gas projects, power infrastructure, ports and harbors, and aluminium plants in different geographies. A strong flair for the business building and an extensive network with the EPC business, he has proven the ability to manage mega projects safely by maintaining quality, schedule, and budget with full P&L accountability.
We started this Petrocontracts International Limited in 2017 And the motivational reasons behind this was that after gaining a lot of experience in EPC business, I find that EPC business is still being done in a little bit traditional, old, orthodox manner, and resulted to that generally on the projects there is a cost overrun and the schedule overrun, which no client likes it. So we are trying to build another portfolio to support most of our clients in terms of how to mitigate the red tapeism and effectively improve the processes and procedures so that we can bring a most cost-effective solution to our clients. And that resulted in bringing up of Petro Contracts International Limited. The mission of the company is to provide professional services to our various clients in such manner that they are ethically supported.
And now it's time for another short break with you. Stay tuned as we will be right back with some more awe-inspiring success stories of various leaders and brands.
रोज तो तू पिज्जा मांगता है, आज ड्राई फ्रूट खा रहा है। तबीयत तो ठीक है?
माँ, मेरा मैथ्स का एग्जाम है, तो ड्राई फ्रूट्स नहीं खाऊंगा तो दो बातें होंगी, या तो मेरे मार्क्स कम आएंगे या तो मैं फेल हो जाऊंगा। अगर मार्क्स कम आए तो ठीक, अगर मैं फेल हो गया तो दो बातें होंगी, या तो टीचर से डांट पड़ेगी या फिर टीचर आपको स्कूल में बुलाएगी। डांट पड़े तो ठीक, पर अगर आपको स्कूल में बुलाया तो कल मिसेस शर्मा को किटी पार्टी में आप क्या मुंह दिखाएंगे? तो समझे बच्चों, इसीलिए साधारण छोड़ो, न्यूट्रिशन चुनो।
अपनाइए 100% ऑयल कंटेंट वाले नरिश ड्राई फ्रूट्स। साधारण छोड़ो, न्यूट्रिशन चुनो।
अगर न्यूट्रिशन वाली दाल नहीं खाओगे तो दो बातें होगी, या तो लो प्रोटीन से आपके बाल कम हो जाएंगे या एनर्जी लेवल्स लो हो जाएंगी।
इसीलिए पापा साधारण छोड़ो
और न्यूट्रिशन चुनो।
हाई फाइबर और प्रोटीन रिच नरिश अनपॉलिश्ड दाल। साधारण छोड़ो, न्यूट्रिशन चुनो।
Welcome back to the Grand Series, namely Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia, Middle East, Africa 2020-21, brought to you by Asia One Magazine and URS Media. The upcoming category is Asia One Global Leader of the Year 2020-21 and Asia One Women Empowerment Principles Leadership 2020-21. The awardees in this category are Mr. Ashish Khandelwal, Managing Director, BL Agro Industries Limited, as Asia One Global Youth Icon of the Year 2020-21.
During my growing up years, I had seen how my father built the business from scratch and took it to great heights. His journey has always inspired me. At the same time, it was a challenge to expand further and take our company to the next level. In 2017, we decided to diversify and add food portfolio to the existing oil business. The food products under the brand name Nourish received immediate acceptance in the market. To support this, we established top-of-the-line production capability that includes procuring finest machinery from all over the world. At BL Agro, the company's vision is to make the product a way of life for the consumer across India. To realize this long-term vision, we have aggressively building a very robust distribution network. As I speak, our team is working across India and our distribution network is growing day by day. Also, for the couple of years, we have invested heavily into advertising and promotion of both our brands Nourish and Belkolu. Similarly, to make our promotion more effective, we have engaged with celebrity brand ambassadors like Shilpa Shetty for Nourish and Manoj Vajpayee, Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Pankaj Tripathi for Belkolu. I believe that innovation is the key to establish your distinguished identity. Our innovative strategy includes moving from semi-automatic to fully automated packaging plant, which is possibly the best in the country in our industry. A lot of exclusive brand stores are being opened, and we are also developing a very dynamic e-commerce portal by the name of Nourish Store that will take a brand to each and every household.
Mr. Mark Led-Flumstone, founder and CEO Avenues, as Asia One Asian Youth Empowerment Leader of the Year 2020-21.
Say one. I can't hear you. One. Then
There? Oh, very good. I'll give you a round of applause.
Thank you, Asia One magazine, for this meaningful honor and tribute to life coaching and soft skills development in Northeastern India. This award for the Asian Youth Empowerment Leader of the Year for 2021 is a complete surprise and something unexpected for our team. On behalf of our team, on behalf of the life coaches, the community trainers, and the many stakeholders in our ecosystems across the region, thank you. Over the course of 2 decades of work, Avenues has built resilient interventions that allow young people to discover confidence, to improve their emotional well-being, and to build on their aspirations as they head on to embrace the challenges of life. There has never been a more important time for the integration of life coaching that helps young people unlock their own answers to their own problems. Soft skills that helps to build competencies for life and careers, and new normal coaching that allows young people to understand that education just isn't what it used to be. If an education is meant to be effective, it is meant to build your capability for life. In our experience, life coaching, soft skills, and confidence building through emotional resilience is the way of the future. As humanity embraces a pandemic and uncertain times, and as India heads into a vibrant future led by the ideals of a Make in India paradigm, our youth must be empowered with the mindsets, with the confidence, and with the value systems that are a significant part of where our country will be in the next 10 years. We will continue to strive to impact the many lives of tribal youth in our country who have little or no access to quality education. We will continue to strive for the improvement of human progress through interventions that build confidence, self-worth, and aspiration. We look forward to your support and wish the magazine and its stakeholders and all our fellow awardees the very best.
Mr. Raja Singham, Managing Director, BSc Education, as Asia One Global Indian of the Year 2020-21.
Raja Singham is the founder and managing director of Brickfields Asia College based in Malaysia. He also works as senior lecturer for students taking the certificate in legal practice. Over the past 2 decades, BSc has grown into a network of campuses in KL and Petaling Jaya, offering a broad selection of courses. Furthermore, Singham has authored numerous texts and study manuals in areas of law, of evidence, land law, law of tort, law of contract, and the English legal system. Along with its partnership programs with foreign universities, Brickfields runs over 15 companies, including a number of tech startups. It has innovative freedom education platforms like EduNation, a free education platform, and also supports startups by promoting, funding, and supporting those who have innovative ideas.
I thought of sharing today 10 areas or 10 things that have made BAC the success it is today. First one is purpose. Through this tough year, we've actually been driven by our purpose, which is basically to transform lives through education. Secondly is values. Our values are our moral compass, and our values essentially are integrity, professionalism, accountability, empathy, and tenacity. Third, people first. We've always been about people, whether it's our co-workers, our colleagues, our customers, the community. People are the greatest asset. The next thing is staying relevant. Companies are losing ground faster than ever. The lifespan of a company is getting shorter and shorter. So the key thing, what we look at all times, is what can we do that's a generation better. The fifth thing is basically this: you've got to keep learning. The sixth thing is the future is all about building competencies. The seventh thing, and many people forget this, is build your brand. Number 8, do good. There's no point making money, no point being a billion-dollar corporation if you're not giving back to the community. Number 9, don't be profit-driven. We are impact-driven. Ultimately, number 10, seek balance. So there's no point just doing work and focusing just on the company. Try to look at balance. And for this, we introduced during the pandemic what we call Work Different. 4 pillars: learn, work, play, and impact.
Mrs. Sunila Yadav, Managing Director, Anil Mantra Logistics Private Limited, as Women Empowerment Principals Award 2020-21 and Asia's Greatest Brands 2020-21.
With its headquarters in Delhi, Anil Mantra Logistics Incorporated in 2007 provides services in the fields of logistics and chain supply management. Tailor-made for the client, the company offers quality services of air, sea and load freight, LCL, brokerage, time-critical services, transportation of perishable and dangerous goods, project cargo, warehousing and integrated logistics. Sunala Yadav, Managing Director, Anil Mantra Logistics, with an MBA International Marketing, began her work with an export company in the logistics department and then moved to an IATA freight forwarding company. Starting with handling overseas clients and logistics and breaking gender typecast, she has been awarded the Most Valuable Member from South Asia and CIS in 2017 and 18. In 2019, she was awarded as the Best of the Best, and then in 2021, she received Woman in Freight and Cargo Award by the Business Leader of the Year.
Anil Mantra Logistics stands a little different than the others, as we just don't have ourselves to the boundaries of India. We capture the complete world for them. We are majorly into the 3PLs and we are also into the cross-border shipments, wherein we provide solutions not only in India but in the various countries and the various continents in all the modes: air, sea, chartering and even the multimodal rail and trucking.
So those were some awe-inspiring success sagas of prominent brands and leaders of Asia, Middle East and Africa. Goodbye and thank you for watching.